this concept, the imaginary vertical plane. Definition like it cannot like it doesn't happen. Did you turn it on, Blue? Yes. Geographic medium. And for the imaginary vertical plane, passing through a place or location on Earth and connecting the north, geographic north, G and local. G and means for geographic north, also called true north. That's also called true north. So the imaginary vertical plane passing through a place on Earth and connecting the geographic north, that is true north, with geographic south, that is again true south. Right? So this is actually what we call north and south, pole of Earth is called geographic meridian. કદાચ આ definition bookમાં નથી આપી અને પૂછશે નહીં તમને, but no worries, there is another definition that we are going to study. આના જેવી જ છે, તો આવડી જશે તો ઓલી આવડી જશે. So imaginary vertical plane passing through a place on Earth and connecting the geographic north with the geographic south pole. That's called a geographic meridian. ઓલું બધું સમજાયું તો યાદ છે ને? If you consider a longitude and then you make a wall over that longitude everywhere throughout the Earth, then that wall is nothing but the geographic meridian. બરાબર? It exactly divides into two parts. એક બાજુ east હોય અને બીજી બાજુ west. Right? Okay. So that's geographic meridian. Actually, the word meridian stands for a vertical plane. Meridian stands for a vertical plane which connects the poles and through the point where you are standing. Right? Now we are going to talk about a few terms, right? Okay. Related to Earth's magnetism. Related to Earth's magnetism and its magnetic field and all that. So first of all, I am going to begin by a diagram. Let's say that here is Earth. And suppose this point is GN. GN, that is geographic north. And exactly diametrically opposite there will be geographic south. Is it okay? Right? We are not concerned about rotation of Earth or anything. Right now our focus is on magnetism, not about how Earth rotates. That's why I am not drawing it tilted. Okay. Now, the geographic north and geographic south are here. So obviously we can think of geographic equator. What is geographic equator? It's a line that exactly cuts the Earth into two halves. And you follow in a northern hemisphere and we do in a southern hemisphere. Correct or not? Okay? Right. So now let's define two terms. You can put the title Earth's magnetism, okay, or Earth's magnetic field. First thing is about poles. Geomagnetic North Pole, which here on I am going to call MM for short. What is it? Geomagnetic North Pole. For short we are going to call it MN. Why MN? M for magnetic and N for north. Right? Is the magnetic pole or is the geomagnetic pole of Earth in the northern hemisphere? in the northern hemisphere. હવે આનાથી ઊંધી ડેફિનેશન geomagnetic south pole, which is obviously MS. Lagna जाते is the geomagnetic pole of Earth in the southern hemisphere. And now one very simple but important sentence. Mn is not at same place as Gn, and similarly Ms is not at same place as Gn. What does this mean? It says that if you consider Earth to be like a giant magnet, which it is because it has got a magnetic field, right? So approximately speaking, you can say it's like a giant magnet. Then the poles of that magnet, they are not exactly at same place where the geomagnetic north and the geographic north and the geographic south. Poles थोड़ा side में है. Okay, let me make it clear. Suppose here, this is where Mn is, and this is where Ms is. Right? Approximate current locations are as follows. For example, the geomagnetic north pole is located somewhere in Canada, right? Whereas the geographic north, true north, is in the Arctic Ocean. Yeah, so the ocean in the north is called Arctic Ocean. So geographic north is right up there. It is 0 degree latitude. Sorry, 90 degree north, excuse me. Equator 0 कहेवाय याद है ऊपर 90 degree north. Alright? Okay, so that's geographic north. But magnetic north is not at the same place. Magnetic north is somewhere on the side. It's in Canada. And similarly, geographic south है, that would be right in the middle of Antarctica. Alright? But the geographic south. Magnetic south is not over there. Magnetic south is a little bit on the side, somewhere close to Australia. Right? So this is what I am telling you, that magnetic north and geographic north, they are not at the same place. And then similarly, I diametrically opposite considered correct, so they are not at the right. So what is going on is that if Earth were a giant magnet, it's not really a bar magnet, but if you consider that the field of Earth is, for example, modeled by a giant bar magnet, then giant bar magnet, imaginary of course, our bar magnet under then it would be like this. Okay, did you understand? That giant bar magnet would not be over here, it would be inclined. This inclination is, I think, roughly about 11.5 degrees, if I am not wrong, or close to that. That is between geographic north-south and magnetic north-south. There is an inclination of about 11 degrees. Okay, कोई तुमने पूछवानु कैसे? It is information only, and ये देखो खतरनाक information है because it changes with time. Every few years the value will change. Okay, the magnetic poles are not stable. ये बदलता है. Okay, after probably thousands of years they will also get reversed. Reverse એટલે અત્યારે જેમ છે એના બદલે ઊંધું થઈ જાય. એવું. બરાબર? Okay, such things happen, but that's on a geological time scale. એની આપણે બહુ ટેન્શન લેવાની જરૂર નહીં. એવું થતા કેટલાય વર્ષ થતા. Okay, nevertheless. So right now the position is somewhat like this, right, where there is some about 11.5 degrees between these. Now what this means is that if we talk about magnetic field lines, then they are not going to be on this axis of north south. They sort of side mount. Now, before we proceed on to any more definition, let's draw the diagram of field line. આની પહેલા એક સેન્ટેન્સ આવ્યો હતો that magnetic field lines of earth go from approximately south to north. બરાબર ને એવો હતું ને એટલે geographic south to geographic north. હવે એ સેન્ટેન્સ એક્ઝેક્ટ ફોર્મમાં લખી નાખીએ ને. So here we go. Magnetic field line of earth emerge from magnetic south and go towards and into magnetic north pole of earth. Again, there is no confusion. I would say, see, have we understood earlier that roughly speaking the field lines are going from south to north? From south to north. So, arm so no hoy ne. Think about it. If field lines are going like this, so our field line north માંથી નીકળીને આમ south બાજુ જાય. Do you understand what I am saying? Yes, no. So that's not true. It's actually the other way around. Right? The field lines are coming out from south and going into the north. Okay, the draw kuru chu tame draw karjo, hopefully you have space. It would emerge out over here. Now આમ બારી પછી આમ ફરી આમ થઈ. Did you get that? Or this one bigger, right? And obviously they go inside here as well, but that's fine. After taking out this joa jana, okay, that's too perfect. समझाणु कि नहीं? So the field lines are like this. And यहाँ okay. Did you understand this diagram? Yes or no? You might be confused. मैं तो मैं बोलता हूँ, are you confused or not? मैं तो confused. Have you understood what I have drawn? Possibly you don't believe it. It's okay. We don't care, right? मजाक करो जो. You will understand it eventually. I can also see what's your problem. तो मैं बोलता हूँ, आप तो south को देंगे. I think I'm field line पर नहीं है. But see, there are two undisputable facts. Listen to this carefully. Then when you put a magnetic compass, so એનો north say north side થઈ જાય છે. Yes or no? Correct or not? That actually means that the field lines of earth are going from approximately south direction to approximately north direction. સમજાણું? So this arrow is consistent with that fact. Why so? તમે કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ ઊભા રહેશો અને compass મૂકશો, so the field line is pointing from somewhere south to somewhere north. समझाई છે? આમથી આમ. Is that clear? Okay, that is geographic south and geographic north. Don't get confused between anything, right? So roughly speaking, the field line is going from geographic south to geographic north. એટલે આમ જ જવું જોઈએ. આમ નહીં, perfect. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay or not okay? અહીંયા જ પતી ગયું. આજ નથી સમજ પડતી. समझ पड़ी ने? Because dipole always aligns with the field, so that angle becomes 0. So angle 0 કરવા માટે આ magnet નો north pole આમ થવો જોઈએ. તો field line એ આમ જ હોય છે. તો જ angle 0 થાય. Correct or not? Okay. Now I know what's troubling you. આને નોર્થ પોલ કહો છો, ફીલ્ડ લાઈન અંદર જાય. અત્યાર સુધી તો એવું કહેતા હતા કે મેગ્નેટિક ફીલ્ડ લાઈન ઇમર્જ ફ્રોમ નોર્થ પોલ એન્ડ ગો ઇનટુ સાઉથ પોલ. તો આમાં કેમ ચીટિંગ કરો? Don't worry, I am not cheating. But there is a very simple fact that you have ignored. Think about it. બે magnet રાખ્યા. સાંભળો. This is one magnet. I don't know its poles. Listen to this carefully. I don't know where are the poles. પણ મારી પાસે છે ને એક ઓલી માર્ક્ડ મેગ્નેટિક નીડલ છે. બરાબર? and when I put it here આમ freely oscillate થઈને આમ થઈ જાય છે so એની બાજુમાં મૂકી then can you label the poles of this magnet કઈ બાજુ north હશે left side north sure અને આ બાજુ south correct or not sure very good so what does this mean it means that whenever you put a needle that needle's north will always point towards some other magnets south not toward its north pole it will face some other magnets south pole correct or not it will be close to some other magnets south pole fine or not yes હવે મજા આવશે this is geographic south actually આ બાજુ અને આ બાજુ geographic north બરાબર હવે અહીંયા નીડલ મૂકીએ તો ઈ north બાજુ પોઈન્ટ કરશે એટલે આ n હશે આ બ્લેક છે ઈ n correct or not yes sure everyone gets that આનો n આ બાજુ આવ્યો એનો મતલબ આ બાજુ કોઈ બીજા મેગ્નેટ નો સાઉથ પોલ છે ક્યાં છે બીજો or so what that means is listen to this carefully this side is geographic north this side is geographic north ई बाजू कोई बीजा मैग्नेट नो साउथ पोल hopefully you realize that I have left this blank मैं अंदर में લખ્યું નહીં તમે ડોટ ડાયગ્રામ લખ્યું નથી સારી વાત છે એ તો તમારે ચેન્જ કરવાનો વારો there is no confusion આ મત છે ઈ જ મેં સમજાવ્યું અત્યારે તમને સમજા કે નથી what did I say this side the needle is facing like this એનો મતલબ કે અહીંયા n આવે તો એ બાજુ north છે which north geographic north what that means is really on that side there is some other magnet south pole of a magnet so એ કયો magnet earth's magnet if earth was a magnet then earth's magnet south pole is actually towards the northern part and earth's magnet north pole is actually towards the south what did I cover and now everything makes sense magnetic field line should come out from north pole of a magnet magnetic field line should come out from north pole of a magnet એટલે આ magnet હોય તો ની વાત imaginary of course this bar magnet that I have drawn is imaginary but the other full bar magnet right so if it was a bar magnet then it would have a north pole here so field line અહીંથી બહાર આવે છે અને પછી આમ ફરીને અંદર is that clear or not આ north south લખ્યું એટલે field line અહીંથી બહાર નથી આવતી અહીંયાથી field line બહાર આવે છે એટલે અહીંયા north લખ્યું ને અહીંયા આવશે I hope the difference is clear to you is that understood so what we are calling magnetic north or geomagnetic north pole of earth is actually behaving like a south pole of a giant magnet and similarly what we are calling as magnetic south pole of earth is actually behaving like a north pole of a giant magnet હવે confusion clear કે વધારે confusion થઈ ગયું નહીં ને sure right so what this means is magnetic field lines are going from magnetic south they come out from magnetic south they turn around the earth and they go into magnetic north pole all right but આ બે mn અને ms earth ના poles yeah magnet તો છે જ નહીં but this is an imaginary idea is it fine have you understood this diagram so far all right fine આટલું લખાઈ ગયું છે okay this diagram is a key thing we'll come back to it again and again okay so make sure you have it drawn nice fine done the ladies તો diagram ને erase કરો કારણ કે મારી પાસે પેલું કામ પડશે ત્યાં okay the next thing we will talk about magnetic meridionalism geographic meridian ની definition લખી હતી ને એમાં જ્યાં gn લખ્યું હતું ને gn or true north ને બધું geographic north એવું લખ્યું હતું ને એના બદલે magnetic north કરી નાખો અને magnetic south કરી નાખો એની definition લખી નાખો then we will go through it. Definition copy करना फटाफट. Same definition. Instead of geographic, you have to write magnetic or geomagnetic. बराबर geomagnetic लग दो. ब्रैकेट में लग दो Mn and Ms. फटाफट कॉपी तो करो नहीं. The imaginary vertical plane at a place passing through the geomagnetic north, that is Mn, and geomagnetic south, that is Ms, of the earth. You would like to okay? The key thing again is meridian should pass through the place where you are standing or where which you are talking about. बराबर? એટલું તો તમને સમજાઈ ગયું ને કે every place has a different meridian. એ ન સમજાણું because the meridian has to pass through the place where you are standing, right? Okay, right. So what's magnetic meridian now? See, imagine that suppose the geographic north and south are here, let's say. So आम एक wall बनी गई, that is the geographic meridian. Clear or not? But like we see in this diagram, the geographic south, let's say it's here, and geographic north is here. So magnetic north is same direction માં નથી, થોડુંક side માં છે. Did you understand? Yes or no? Again, there is a બે point હોય. Let's say I want to point to run and I want to point to run. So બે એક direction માં નથી, બે વચ્ચે આમ angle બને. Correct or not? So same thing here. Magnetic, geographic north arm there, but the geomagnetic north will be little bit on the side. Geographic north, geomagnetic north. They will take angle out. Correct or not? So if this is the geographic meridian, that same thing is not magnetic meridian. Okay? Because what is magnetic meridian? Same that the definition. It connects the geomagnetic north and geomagnetic south. And obviously geomagnetic north આમ હોય તો geomagnetic south ઓલી બાજુ. આ geographic meridian હોય ને તો એને સેજ આમ ફેરવવું પડશે. Only then it will become magnetic meridian. સમજાણું? એનો સમજાણું. They are not same. Is that clear? Vertical જ છે, but they are not same. Right? Roughly speaking, it would ના એના જેવું. હમણાં એકવાર ડ્રો કરી દો પછી એક બુક લઈને સમજાવો. Roughly speaking, if you are looking at a place from the sky, from a helicopter, then this is geographic north or true north and this is geographic south or true south. સમજાણું આટલું? અને ઉપરથી એક આવી લાઈન દેખાશે જેને તમે longitude કહી શકો, or you can also call it geographic meridian. મને બોલવામાં બહુ ભૂલ થાય. બોલવામાં એક વાર ભૂલ ન. Right? This line is called geographic meridian. એવું દેખાય કારણ કે આપણે ઉપરથી જોઈએ પ્લેન હોય તો એ લાઈન જેવું દેખાય. Did you get that? But magnetic north is somewhere in this direction. दूर હોય of course, but it's in that direction. And magnetic south is somewhere in this direction. So if you connect this place, magnetic north, magnetic south, so on side માં આવશે. Did you understand? Yes or no? Again, એક આમ છે તો બીજો આમ હશે થોડું. Did you get that? So there is going to be some angle between them. Okay, ને? This is a view from the helicopter. Remember, આ map છે. આ બાજુ east હશે અને આ બાજુ west. એવું જરૂરી નથી કે આમ જ હોય. ઓલી બાજુ હોઈ શકે. This is just an indicative diagram. Did you get that? Sure. હવે વર્ટિકલ પ્લેન્સ કેવા દેખાય એ સમજવું હોય. મોટી હોય ને તો જુઓ So suppose this is the geographic meridian. તો મેગ્નેટિક મેરિડિયન આમ નહીં હોય, આમ જ નહીં હોય, પણ બે વચ્ચે આવી રીતે એક એંગલ બનશે, એક આમ હશે ને એક આમ હશે. કેન યુ ઇમેજિન ઇટ નાઉ? ક્યાં છે બીજું આની પાછળ દેખાય છે? સમજ પડી કે નહીં? One is slanting, at least the way we are looking at, and the one is like this. સમજાય છે? Right? So that is what the two meridians stand for. One geographic, એટલે આ બાજુ north south હોય, geographic north. ને એક બાજુ magnetic north, magnetic south. Okay, when you connect both of them you get the other. Is it fine? Do you see that there is always going to be an angle between them? Now how can you see that angle? આમ ઉપરથી જોવો ને તો angle દેખાય. દેખાય ને? આમ કરજો તમે. આ બે વચ્ચે આમ રાખીએ બહુ તો બે વચ્ચે એક angle રહેશે. Correct or not? Yes. Only if the two cooperate. હવે પર આવું થાય ને, જે વસ્તુ આમ હતી એને તમે આમ જોશો તો તમને બે વચ્ચે એક angle દેખાશે. Can you see that angle here? Out. Got it? Yes. Okay, fine. Time to go to next definition. Okay. એક આ ચેપ્ટરમાં એવું છે અને ફોર્મ્યુલા તો આ ચેપ્ટર ખાવી છે. તમને આ ડેફિનેશન્સ સમજાઈ જશે તો તમને સમજાવી દે. Okay. Important sentence before we go to the definition is that magnetic field lines are always in the magnetic meridian pointing from MS to MM. And ortho part તો પહેલા જ તમને ખબર છે. What is this saying? So this is geographic south, this is geographic north. હવે તમે compass કેવું કંઈ પણ મૂકો, the compass will not point towards geographic north. એટલું સમજ પડી કે the compass will point towards the geomagnetic north. કેમ એવું? field line કઈ બાજુ જાય? from MS to MM. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? field lines of earth will be going from MS to MM, not from GS to GS. સમજાણું? Sure? Okay. So what's going to happen if you put a compass or a needle? તો એ આમ geographic north side નો દેખાડે ને? ક્યાં દેખાડે? સાઈડ માં દેખાડે. Make sense or not? It will show a little bit towards the side. Everyone gets that? કેમ સાઈડ માં દેખાડશે? Because the needle will always get aligned in the direction of the magnetic field. સમજાય છે? આમ align. આમ નહીં થાય. So a simple question: if you blindly follow the magnetic compass, let's say you are in a ship, okay, or you have any other means to move by whatever, plane, by road, or by a ship, anyway. If you always follow the north, then will you actually reach geographic north? No. Sometimes, because the compass always is not showing geographic north, it is showing the direction of magnetic north. Sometimes, right? Because compass has no means to show this, because needle will always get aligned towards the magnetic north-south line. That is the magnetic meridian. Very much. એવું થાય કે compass shows you the wrong way. It's possible. વિચારો. Suppose you consider that here somewhere is the geographic north, in the Arctic Ocean. Canada માં છે. ઇન્ડિયાની વચ્ચે આ અર્થની સરફેસ, ઇન્ડિયાની વચ્ચે ક્યાંક જઈને તમે ઊભા રહો. પછી compass મૂકો તો એ કઈ બાજુ દેખાડશે? This is geographic north, let's say, and this is magnetic north. અહીંયા તમે compass use કરો એ પોઈન્ટ પર તો ક્યાં દેખાડશે? આમ દેખાડશે. જવાનું છે આમ. Did you get that? Yes. Why so? Because the needle will point towards MN, it will not point towards GA. ખબર પડી ગઈ? Alright? કારણ કે GN તો કોઈ સ્પેશિયલ પોઈન્ટ જ નથી. In regards to magnetism, there is nothing special about geographic north, but there is something special about magnetism. Okay, કારણ કે field line બધી અંદર જવાનું. Anyway, so please keep that in mind. Now, આ sentence સમજાઈ ગયો? Magnetic field lines are always in the magnetic meridien, not in the geographic meridien. એવું possible છે કે બે સેમ જ ડાયરેક્શન માં હોય. Think about it. See, it's very easy to understand. I'll take example of Raj and Ron once again. અહીંયાથી હું જાઉં તો એક આમ છે ને એક આમ છે. Do you realize that if I walk and go somewhere over here, so that both of them are in the same line, તો શું દેખાશે કે geomagnetic north both are in the same direction. સમજાય છે? So it all depends on where you are observing. જેમ ઈ બેની વચ્ચે જઈને ઉભો રહો તો એક આમ થઈ જાય ને એક આમ થઈ જાય. Is that understood? Alright, so
પછી અલગ કેમ લીધું geographic north અને
geographic north અને magnetic north
કેમ different
કેમ છે? Okay, then why should we even worry about geographic north? Simple. Because as far as the rotation of Earth is concerned, Earth rotates on its geographic axis, not on its magnetic axis. સમજાય છે? એમાં સમજાણું એટલે Earth આમ ત્રાંસી નથી પડતી આ ડાયાગ્રામમાં. In this diagram, the Earth rotates in this manner only, like the fan rotates. Is that clear? Yes or no? So what's special about geographic north? It has nothing special as far as magnetism is concerned, but it has lot of speciality as far as astronomy is concerned, or as far as properties of Earth are concerned, or as far as seasons are concerned, or sunlight is concerned. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? એનો સમજાણો બરાબર. Earth rotates around this axis. આ વર્ટિકલ જે આ ફિગરમાં વર્ટિકલ ડ્રો કરી છે ને ઈ એક્સિસ ઉપર રોટેટ. ઓકે, રાઈટ? સો what we call pole star તો ખબર છે કે નહીં? એમ તો કે pole star, right? The one that shows the direction of pole, that is exactly in this line. Exactly तो नहीं पण it's very close, 1 degree, I think 1.5 degrees away. समझाऊं? So that is indeed showing the direction of Earth's rotation axis. કે Earth કઈ axis પર rotate થાય એની direction આ જ છે. Understood? But Earth's magnetism is not around that axis, it's around this axis. They were a difference. So that's the importance of this. Right? The equator છે, equator is exactly between the north and the south, geographic north and geographic south. એટલે geographic equator. Did you get that? Yes or no? Right? There's a lot of importance of this thing also. આપણે એમ થાય કે આ imaginary line હશે ને આપણે draw કરી, but definitely one extremely interesting observation, which of course is common everything match with. Just telling you. You know there are cyclones every now and then in the ocean. Yes or no? All cyclones in the northern hemisphere, like આ equator જે imaginary છે એની ઉપરના બધા cyclones છે ને anti clockwise અને આની નીચેના બધા cyclones clockwise. Right? It's not magic, of course. There's nothing mysterious about it. There's a pseudo force. There is a type of pseudo force called Coriolis force. There is a type of pseudo force called Coriolis force. Because of that, it happens. Right? Although we say that as far as magnetism is concerned, આ બેનો કઈ રોલ નથી, સાચી વાત. But in other ways, geographic north, geographic south are definitely important. Right? Okay. Anyway, continuing with this. So I was telling you that magnetic field lines are always in the magnetic meridian. Carry up side one. They are always in the magnetic meridian. Right? Now this leads to a problem. A problem અહીંયા તમને દેખાય છે. The problem that when you want to do navigation using a compass, તમે મૂકશો કંપાસ તો એ જીઓગ્રાફિક નોર્થ ઉપર નહીં પોઈન્ટ કરે. વેર વિલ ઇટ પોઈન્ટ એટ? તો એ બે વચ્ચે એક એંગલ થઈ ગયો. હવે એ રીતે મેગ્નેટિક declination હજી બે ત્રણ આવવાની. મેગ્નેટિક declination બહુ ઇઝી ડેફિનેશન છે. the angle between geographic meridian and magnetic meridian at a place is called magnetic declination of that place or at that place. આ ફિગરમાં તમને આ એંગલ દેખાય છે. G and GH that is connected by which one? Geographic meridian. આ છે ને આ લાઈન geographic meridian we see it from a helicopter. પછી આ લાઈન શું છે? Magnetic meridian. એ બે ની વચ્ચેનો એંગલ. What is that called? Magnetic declination. Symbol I think in your book is D. Capital. આમ લખો બધું એક જ છે. Right? Actually એમાં તે છે ને ઈસ્ટ વેસ્ટ હોય બરાબર, પણ તમારે એટલું બધું ડિટેલમાં આવતું નથી. ઈસ્ટ વેસ્ટ એટલે આમ હોય તો ઈસ્ટ સાઈડ કહેવાય ને, ઓલી બાજુ હોય તો વેસ્ટ એવું. બટ યુ ડોન્ટ હેવ ટુ વરી. રાઈટ? સમજાણી ડેફિનેશન? હાઉ ટુ વિઝ્યુઅલાઇઝ ઇટ અગેન. ઓલી બુકમાં મેં તમને આમ એંગલ નતો દેખાડ્યો. ધેટ એંગલ ઇઝ નથિંગ બટ મેગ્નેટિક declination. આમ વિચારો તો સપોઝ here is geographic south, geographic north, પણ મેગ્નેટિક સાઉથ નોર્થ થોડું આમ છે, તો આ જેટલા એંગલ થી ટર્ન થાય ને that angle is nothing but magnetic declination. બીજી રીતે વિચારો તો કંપાસ મૂકે, then the angle between, another way to write the same definition, angle between true north and magnetic north at any place is called magnetic declination. કેમ એવું? સીધી જ વાત છે ને, આ નીડલ એક મૂકી બરાબર, this needle will point towards magnetic north, સમજાય છે? but this is towards geographic north. તો આ બે વચ્ચે કેટલો એંગલ થાય? declination થશે ને, એનો સમજાણો. આમ true north છે પણ નીડલ આમ પોઈન્ટ કરશે, તો એ બે વચ્ચે જે એંગલ હોય that is of course the angle between the two meridians. બરાબર? Can you visualize it? What is it of? Okay. બે ડેફિનેશન સમજાઈ ગઈ. મીનિંગ એક જ છે પણ તમારી બુકમાં લગભગ આ આપેલી હશે તો તમે એ લખજો. પહેલા જે લખી ને એ ઓર્ડર. Now the next. Look at this note. Look at this note. Suppose you go and stand over at that point. They go over and stand at that point. ઊંધા નથી ટીંગાણા, સીધા જ છે. Okay. Is it fine? Yes. So there what would you be seeing? આ field line ક્યાંથી આવે છે? નીચેથી આવે છે. That is they are coming out from ground and going up towards the sky. Did you get that? So do you agree that here the field lines are not horizontal? They are vertical. If you go and stand at that place, you will not see that field lines are going like this, but you will see that they are going like this. Clear or not? Yes. Sure? Yes. Everyone get that? Yes. Fine. Let's talk about this place now. Suppose someone goes and stands from there. What would they see? The field lines will be coming from the sky and going into the earth. So again, field lines are not horizontal. So the truth is that at most places, magnetic field lines of Earth, they are not like horizontal, just like this, but they are always at some angle, either going upwards slightly, or even worse, 90 degrees, or sometimes downwards slightly, or worst case, exactly vertical into the ground. In short, field lines are not horizontal. એટલું સમજાણું? Field lines are not horizontal. Okay. So this leads us to a definition of another angle once again. Magnetic inclination. What's the definition? Magnetic inclination or dip angle or dip angle. बराबर ने dip angle. Inclination કોને કહેવાય? What is meaning of incline? Horizontal કઈ હોય ને એનાથી આમ ઉપર જતું હોય, that's called inclination. Correct or not? Sure. અને એવી રીતે dip નો meaning શું થાય? Dip means to dive down. એને કહેવાય dipping. સમજાણો? So in some cases the magnetic field lines are going up the horizontal, that is inclined, going upward. એમાં e angle ને શું કહેવાય? Magnetic inclination. But in some other cases it's that magnetic field lines are going to dive down into the earth at any place. એને શું કહેવાય? Dip angle. Right? So let's write the definition. Angle between magnetic field lines of Earth, or simply Earth, magnetic field of Earth. Our lines no loko to chalo. Angle between magnetic field of Earth with horizontal plane at any place is called magnetic inclination or dip angle at that place or of that place. બધી પ્લેન નું અલગ અલગ. Let me be very clear about it. આ બે માટે. It's not like the whole earth has same declination and the whole earth has same inclination. Obviously not. Inclination તો તમને અહીંયા દેખાણું ને. Here it's going out, means upwards towards sky at 90 degree, and here it will be coming in from sky to the ground at 90 degree. Did you understand? The બધા angles બધી જગ્યાએ અલગ હોય. So inclination is a property of that place. At every place the inclination should be different. સમજાણું? Similarly, declination is also a property of a place. At every place declination will be different. એ તો મેં તમને સમજાવ્યું. અહીંયા ઉપર હોય તો આ બે વચ્ચે આમ angle. બીજી જગ્યાએ જો તો angle 0 થઈ જશે. Correct or not? So angle D declination will change with place. Okay. Our definition to word ready. Let's draw a diagram that explains what we have written. પછી physically સમજાવું. Point કરીએ. Let's complete this. So here I am drawing MM. MM is magnetic meridian. Okay. So in this magnetic meridian, the field lines are not horizontal. Our dotted line horizontal. Our helicopter view nothing. Is that clear? It's like we have constructed a wall. Which wall? Magnetic meridian. I am a horizontal line. But we will see that field lines are not horizontal, but they are at some angle. समझाणु के नहीं? Sure. Okay. So this angle is inclination. Read that from there. To be the angle between magnetic field line of Earth and with horizontal plane. Horizontal plane એટલે ground. આપણે જ્યાં ઊભા હોય ને ત્યાં ground horizontal જ હોય ને. You get it or not? Because we cannot see the curvature of Earth. Clear? So we can say that where we are standing in this region, our room ma ground say horizontal plane જ હોય ને. Got it? So angle between the magnetic field and the horizontal. What is that angle called? Inclination. Magnetic inclination. Symbol is phi. Deep હોય તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં, તો આમ નીચે હશે. Right? We don't have two symbols. Let me make it clear. બધું એકમાં જ ચાલશે. આમ ફરી. Did you get it? Let's talk.